in their ultimate reasons, principles, and causes. I will praise the path of understanding the mystery of the human person as he makes choices and searches for meaning, for the truth, for subjectivity. My stay at STBI made me reflect more about the value of life and decisions and actions that we make. It made me see that indeed philosophy is life. Yet she cannot be separated from the one where everything comes from, God, the giver of life. I hope I was able to share those to the Institute, particularly to you college seminarians, and that I positively contributed to the wonderful philosophical experience. Allow me then to express my gratitude to the province for the opportunity to be of service to STBI. Also to my community then, led by Father Ed Lasok, and of course to our ever-committed professors. Salamat sa patuloy na pagbabahagi ng kaalaman at pagpapaunlad ng kamalayan ng ating mga seminarista. Kasama na natin din si Binibining Kiling. Maraming salamat. STBI is our province Institute of Philosophy, obviously. She has served in the philosophical formation of our seminarians for 28 years. And it is something that we cannot overlook. Though not everyone she accepted to her care proceeded to embrace priestly and religious life, her contribution to their holistic formation is more than enough to recognize her relevance. STBI has produced graduates who have found their place in the world. Quite a number are in the field of law. There are those who are teaching in teaching profession. Some of their own simple businesses, and there are those working abroad. They all carry with them the ideals and values they learn here at STBI to their work, to their community, and to their family. But of course, we do want all of you seminarians to take care and nurture your vocation and eventually embrace priestly and religious life. So far, it's 38%, if I am not mistaken, a total of 53 friars in the province are graduates of STBI. Led by Father Vigo as the new STBI with the new community of friars headed by the prior and the first STBI director, Father Romel. We are confident that STBI will continue to flourish, do better, and do more. I would say STBI is a pride of our province. We care so much about her, so we will preserve her mandate as an institute of philosophy, where we promote and teach, in particular, the ideals and values of our Holy Father, St. Augustine. God bless STBI.
In recognition for his years of ministry in our academic community, the outgoing director, Reverend Father Dante Ohulok Oise, will be given a plaque of recognition to be presented by the Prior Provincial of the Augustinian Province, Sangguniang Cebu, Philippines, Very Reverend Father Andrew P. Matayola Oise.
plaque of appreciation reads, Order of St. Augustine, Province of Santo Niño, Cebu, Philippines, with utmost appreciation to Father Dante O. Hulog, OSA, in recognition of your outstanding leadership, dedication, and service as Director of St. Thomas of Villanova Institute for 3 years, from 2021 to 2024. Your vision, commitment, tireless efforts, and embodiment of our Augustinian values of Veritas, Unitas, and Caritas have made a lasting impact on our educative community. Given this 22nd day of August in the year of the Lord 2024 at San Agustin Center of Studies, Fisher Street, Visayas Avenue, Quezon City, signed, Very Reverend Father Andrew P. Batayola, OSA, Chairman of Santo Niño, Chairman of University of San Agustin